Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You begin by locking the scope. Pick a focused topic and 2-4 tight research questions you can answer within your timeline. Once done, assemble your core materials, 50-200 sources, datasets, or a corpus, and organize them into folders with clear file names. Make sure to set the citation style, ethical boundaries, and milestones. This prevents scope creep. Now create a short project brief and a 1/3-page annotated bibliography to seed AI prompts and keep your writing grounded. You move into drafting by asking for a detailed outline tied to your questions, then request paragraph drafts for each subsection. After that, use targeted revision prompts to expand evidence, tighten argument flow, or fix tone. Make sure to mix tools, one model for creative framing, another for technical polishing and citation formatting. Once you have drafts, run source checks and keep a changelog of prompts and model versions, so you can reproduce or defend any generated claim during review or replication. You finalize by doing a full coherence and citation sweep, formatting to your university template, and running an originality check against your sources. Then craft a concise 10-12 slide defense summary and rehearse 3 likely questions with AI-generated answers. If something goes wrong, blurred citations, factual drift, or style mismatch, revert to an earlier draft, isolate the problematic revisions, and reprompt with stricter constraints. Finally, export clean files and an appendix documenting AI use so you can transparently defend methodology.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.